Good day, grade 10s. Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we're going to look at shield volcanoes. So your lesson objective is students will be able to explain the characteristics of a shield volcano. The characteristics of a shield volcano is as follows. Lava flows out from a central vent in all directions. Slopes are very gradual or gentle with enormous breadth. Few to no explosions, meaning that it's not as violent. And then the lava is very runny due to the higher temperatures. Now, if we compare what it looks like to our cinder cone volcano, immediately what strikes me is the breadth of it. In other words, it is very wide across. And it also takes the shape of an upside down bowl. That is how you're going to identify it. If you look at Mauna Loa in Hawaii, you can clearly see that very distinctive upside down bowl shape. With these volcanoes, they have a main central vent and they can also have side vents. There is very little explosions that's taking place. And when we do have an eruption, the lava flows very quickly down the slopes, almost as fast as a flooded river, because the temperature of the lava is extremely high. So meaning that the lava is very hot.